holla out, Dorba so I don't look pompous. Come to stomp this, calm, just get back, set back, check that, make sure you don't forget that. Purple aura, soda of skies when I rise, transmogrify and teleport in front of your eyes. I dig deeper for wisdom, letting go of my ears. I'm bringing peace to the system, the PA will display. What? I'm taking you through astral planes, soul to brains and heart to brain. I maintain how you fit in the ecosystem, how you fit in the balance of nature, how you fit in the ecosystem, how you fit in the balance of nature, how you fit in the ecosystem, how you fit in the balance of nature, how you fit in the ecosystem, how you fit in the balance of nature, how you fit in the ecosystem, how you fit in the balance of nature, how you fit in the ecosystem, how you fit in the balance of nature, how you fit in the ecosystem, how you fit in the balance of nature, how you fit in the ecosystem, how you fit in the balance of nature.
Balance of nature. Ecosystem. Balance of nature. All around us, where we don't interfere, we can see how nature enforces her laws to keep life in balance. For example, plants, animals, soil. For example, water, minerals, and air. What must man give back as his part an ecosystem? What must man give back as his part an ecosystem? What must man give back as his part balance nature? What must man give back as his part balance nature? For instance, oxygen for one. For instance, future food supplies. For instance, everything alive on Earth.
Save your soul.